follow or subscribe to our channel, Suresh Academy. To keep you updated, hit the notification button. Let's begin. Even numbers. Now let's look at what are even numbers first, yeah? So even numbers are numbers that can be divided. It can be divided. Now there's a key word here. I want to change the color. Divided exactly. Exactly. Remember this word. Exactly by 2. Okay, what does it mean? Let's take a number. Let's take any number. Let's take 37. Can I divide this by 2? Yes, of course I can divide this by 2. But what is the result? What is the quotient? The quotient would be 18 decimal 5, or I can write it as 18 half. Now the question is this exact? No. When I mean exact, it means it is the number would be, the quotient would be a whole number. No decimals, no fractions. Which means 37 is not an even number. Let's do another test. Let's say we have 38. 38 divided by 2, the quotient is 19. 38 divided by 2 is 19. Now 19 is an exact number. It's a whole number. There's no decimals. There's no fractions. Which means 38 can be divided exactly. That is the word here. Exactly by 2. Therefore, 38 is an even number. Not so difficult, isn't it? Okay, now these are for to test if a number or to determine if a number is even or not. Now let us say I have a longer number. Let's say it is 3 or 30,765,414. Now how would I know if this number is an even number? Yeah, you can do that. I can think, I can actually figure out what you're thinking. You can actually take this number into a calculator, then divide it by 2 and look at the quotient. If it is an exact number, then it is an even number. Very smart. But there's another way, the easier way. What you can do is check the last digit. If the last digit is any of these numbers, that is 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. If it is any of these numbers, then it is an even number without a doubt. Right? You got that? Okay. Now that is all there is for even numbers at the moment. So let's do some tests. Let's see. Even numbers. There you go. Okay, now I've prepared some questions for you. Let's quickly go through this. Now, how can you quickly determine if a large number is even? How do you quickly determine? A, check if the sum of its digit is even. Not that. Check if it is divisible by 3. It's supposed to be divisible by 2 exactly. Check if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, this is how you can quickly determine if a large number is even by looking at the very last digit. If it is any of these numbers, then it is an even number. Okay, the number 0 is considered odd, even, neither odd nor even, both odd and even. It is considered even. Okay, the number 0 is considered even. If a number ends in this 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, it is, remember, these are all even numbers, because another reason why I can say the even numbers, they are multiples of 2. This is 2 times 1, this is 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 4, and any other number that is a multiple of 2 is definitely an even number. Okay, which of the following is an even number? 7, no. 15, no, because 7 is not a multiple of 2. 15 is not a multiple of 2. And by the way, these numbers doesn't come under the 2, 4, 6, 8 list. 22, yes, there you go. 31, no. So your answer is C. Which of the following is an even number greater than 50? So first of all, I've got to determine those numbers which are greater than 50. 49, it's not greater than 50, so this cannot be. 51, yes, greater than 50. 58 is greater than 50. And 61 is greater than 50. Of these three numbers, which is an even number? 58, because it ends with the digit 8. Right? Is there any other
Thank you for
question?
watching.
That is all. Please comment and hit the share and like button. Keep learning, share knowledge.